Hey everyone! Need to unblock someone you previously blocked on Facebook using your iPhone? It's really quick and straightforward. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open the Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down slightly and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Scroll down until you reach the Audience and Visibility section. And then tap on Blocking. Here you will see your full list of blocked profiles. Find the person you want to unblock and tap the Unblock button next to their name. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Simply tap Unblock again to confirm. And that's it! That person is now unblocked on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.